What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and this particular video I'm gonna talk about the Vivo Z6, which is arriving on February 29 with a Snapdragon 765G SoC and 5000 of a milliampere of a battery. One of the main highlight of that particular device that it is coming with a liquid cooling support pre-built inside. So in this particular video I'm gonna talk about each and every specification which has been leaked regarding that particular device. So before going into the video, if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. So first we are going to discuss the display of Vivo Z6 5G, and in terms of display it is coming with a 6.44 inch of IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels with a 20 by 9 is going to be the aspect ratio of that device. 409 is going to be the PPI density which is going to seen in that device. Front is also coming with a punch hole camera cutout present on the top right corner of the device. And talking about the camera, the front has a selfie camera of 32 megapixel which has f2.0 of aperture. HDR support is also available, and 1080p 30 frames per second video recording is going to be seen in that device. While on the back of the device we have a quad camera setup in which the main camera is of 48 megapixel. 8 megapixel is going to be the ultra wide camera, and 2 megapixel is going to be the macro lens, and the 2 megapixel of depth sensor camera. LED flashlight is going to be seen on the back of the device, and back camera cutout is kind of a similar to the S20 lineup which we already seen. On the back of the device we also see physical fingerprint sensor is present as well. Performance wise, the device is coming with a Snapdragon 765G processor which is based on 7nm architecture. It has an octa-core processor inside it, and the GPU is supporting Adreno 620. In terms of operating system, the Vivo is coming with an Android 10 support, and it has not yet been confirmed that which skin is going to be used in that particular device. Well, moving on, in terms of memory, it is coming in 3 different variants. The base variant is of 4GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage is going to be seen in this device. Also, it is supported with a micro SD card which is going to be a dedicated slot present inside the device. Battery wise, it is coming with a 5000 milliampere of a massive battery inside, and along with that it is coming with a massive 44 watt of fast charging support inside, which is an awesome thing because 5000 milliampere of a battery can last for full whole day. So at last we are going to talk about the price of that particular device, and the phone is currently listed on Chinese online store JD.com where it's available for pre-order until February 28, and its retail price is $285. So overall, if I look at that device, the device is coming with an awesome specification inside, and even the 5G is also coming, and the 5G. So guys, that is pretty much it in this particular video. If you like this video, do consider subscribing it, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.